couple of pieces. Oh, wait a minute. I don't think that is, but this is. Nice heavy steel. So it's Monday morning, and I'm out on the streets. I decided to give the garage and storage unit a break, give myself a break, take a couple of days off. And this morning we're going to hit some streets. See if we can load some car junk right there. Look at that. Nice. Just don't drop it and make a bunch of noise, Chubby. That's pretty nice. Somebody asked about when am I going to clean all this stuff out. Why should I? Yeah, I probably should just go to like a car wash or something. Just, man, I should get all that out of here, but not right now. I want to check and see if there's any more in there. I think that this is the same as that. Well, you know what? Yeah, it's the same as this thing here. No complaints from the old fat guy. That's a nice little stop. No. So, yep, gonna do a little running. We'll see what we can pick up. I think I see a cord. Yep. To what though? Huh, hairdryer. Alright, well, let's put that look there. Let's see if we can get this out of there. That works. I don't see anything else in those boxes. And I don't see anything in here. Well, so we had some thick wire. Look at that. That's a pretty good wire right there. This can go to shred. Revlon. Yeah, so far this is it. 3 pipes, the Revlon hairdryer. But we'll keep looking. Oh yeah, that's definitely metal. Yeah, leave the bag behind, but we'll take this. So I don't know how to open this up. So if I can get this all in my hands, and then we'll slide it up in here and just do that. There we go. Yeah, this isn't metal at all. It's got plenty of metal to it. There we go. And it looks stale. I hope it's stale. Yeah, it's stale. Nice big heavy chunk. Well, heavy-ish. Yeah, we'll leave it on there. It's pretty nice. Garbage man's right down the street. That's the 3rd truck I've seen this morning. So, right up in the middle. We'll get it built up. I believe that's a frying pan. Yep. And it's got no handle. Any other goodies? And that right on top, so I'm not gonna bother with it. I think it's probably gonna be aluminum. No doubt. I got my magnet up there. I do. Let's go check it. Yep, that's aluminum. Very nice. Cast. Yeah, it's setting right on time. Look at that. All right, nope. Thank you. I'll take this bit. So I know even though I'm throwing out the aluminum at the shred pile, I'm still gonna put it over here. Perfect. Right in half. Not. Come on. What's that? What is that stuff? Yeah, it isn't much, but you can't just leave it laying there. You gotta pick it up, right? The stick out of the way. There we go. A little bit of stuff. Oh, it's another garbage man. You have to get out of his way because he'll be coming around this corner. I'm pretty sure. Yep, this is steel. Hello, stroller here. Woo-hoo. I'll take it. Just don't open up. There's a nice little something. Yep, I'll take it. Very nice. 1-800 for my home from Sears. That might be old-timey. Who knows? I'll put it right here. Some lamps in there or something. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. You know what? I got it with me. I should take it out and use it. No, that's not it. Come on. There it is. Get it out of my pocket. Yep, those are steel. A lot of glass, a lot of junk. Oh, okay. Let's get the cutters. Same. Appears so. Oh, guess not. The wire will go up front. Right there. Actually, the wire will go in the tote up there. That's spare right there. Put that in my pocket. Stuff go in there. Safe balance of this right here. That's not bear bright, folks. This stuff can go up in the tote. Ah, shoot. That was unfortunate. And then this stuff can fit in there. This stuff can go out at the apartment. I'll take care of it when I get there. All right. Oh, a little bit of scrap. Pretty sure that's all aluminum. So, yeah, that's gonna have to go right. No. Yes. It used to be a lamp. We'll take it. Yep, it's still. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Look at this. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, is that cast iron? Or is that? I don't know. I do know this. I gotta pull the van over here because this is muy heavy, folks. Come on, stay right there. That sink is a beast. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's cast iron. I honestly believe I'm gonna have an easier time getting this in the back, no doubt. So, just stay put a second. But beep. Gotta rearrange some junk here. All right. God. This thing. See if I can drag it. No, no, I'm fine. Yep, thank you. Okay. Trying to think of like so. All right. Oh, brother. Trying to think. Is that is in the way. Trying to come on. Like that. Here we go. No, don't you come out. Don't you dare come out. Them damn hoses are in my way. There we go. So I'm trying to do flip it in like that, but no. Not how I wanted it. I want it to go in up there like so. Like that. Now, how heavy is this? I think I'm gonna move the van up for that. Closer this way. There we go. All right, well. Oh. Up over that lip. You up over that lip and lip. Lip. Billy, help me out. There we go. Gonna put it back this way. There we go. That's in. As I drove in this way to go there, I saw this hanging out. It's a fan. You take it. It's kind of dirty. So got the screw in it. Okay, well, we gotta take it then. Just as is. That's fine. Hey, come on. It'll go in the bag with the rest. So it's Monday afternoon. This is Tuesday's route, done on Monday night once again. So I gotta let you folks in on something. I didn't really want to say anything about it right away, but I left BRP. I did not like the situation there the way it was. The work was easy, there's no doubt about that. Is this loose? No, it's still on there. All right. The work was easy, it was the people. So, you know what? So I'm not out of a job, but I am going back to Amazon, but not on third shift. Going back to Amazon on second shift. Oh, brother, I should have. This is difficult with that arm. Let's see if I can. That's good enough. So same days off, Monday and Tuesday, but I'm going back to Amazon on second shift. So, back to making the big money. They agreed to take me back at my rate of pay when I left. So, I'm going back to Amazon starting Wednesday afternoon, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. All right, let's keep looking. I believe I see a chunk of steel in the corner of this bin. I hope I see. Oh, of course, yeah, it's gonna be buried underneath there with that. You are not going to come out any. You're just gonna let me have the scrap. I'm using the force, if you can't tell. I use the force to make them not come out. Oh, that's cool. Little metal. Sweet. Not bad. Yep, we're gonna count it good and go on. Yeah, I had a bear of a time getting these two pieces in. Brother, I got this area open here, so, and let's hope, beyond hope, that the weather stays the way it's been, because I checked the forecast, folks. In fact, I didn't see 130-degree temperature in there, just 40s and 50s. That's forecasts, but I'll tell you what, after dinking around in single-digit weather and teens and low 20s and high wind chills, and 40 degrees isn't too damn bad. I'll take that. Right now it's, according to my phone, right now it's 51 degrees out. I'll take that over single digits any day. It's not appliances like I found this morning, is it? But you know what? Yeah. Pay shred price. And yeah, so much so I'm not even leaving that. But wait a minute, that's most of that's just crap. These come off there. No, they won't. I mean, they might. All right. Yeah. 305 a ton. Yeah. I'm gonna take this. Whoops. All right. There we go. I'm thinking that I gotta get that brass and that copper off that cast iron sink, and that will go out at the cast iron pile. Folks, you're not gonna believe this. Hope I can fit it. Don't want to hit you, buddy. Don't stand in the way. All right. All right. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, okay, okay. Good. Thank you. Wow. Very nice. That guy did all the work. But I'll have all the work tomorrow taking it out. How about that? What a lucky day. Well, folks, it's been about a half an hour since that gent loaded that axle into my van for me. So he did all the work pretty much. I haven't found anything else. Hit a bunch of streets, and that's it. So, hope you had a good time. I certainly did. Long day. My love to all of you, each and every one of you. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Are you really an expert on absolute rubbish?